Want your messages to reach customers at the perfect time? With Quick Campaign, you can schedule both SMS and email campaigns in just a few steps. From the Quick Hub dashboard, open Quick Campaign. Let's start with SMS. Go to Templates and choose SMS. Pick a template you like. Click Select Template, then enter your campaign name. Click Select Contacts, check the contacts you want to include, and click Next. Now choose Schedule. Pick the date and time you want the SMS to send. Then click Schedule to confirm. Select Check Schedule to review your campaign and confirm its status. That's it. Your SMS is queued and ready to go out automatically at the time you chose. Now, let's do the same for email. From Quick Campaign, go to Templates and choose Email. Select a template. Click Select Template and give your campaign a name. Choose your contacts. Then click Next. Click Schedule, set the date and time. And confirm with Schedule. Finally, select Check Schedule to review the status of your email campaign. And that's it. Both your SMS and email campaigns are scheduled and will send right on time, helping you reach customers when it matters most.